you, Tien, and I would like to thank you and the entire CONNECTpreneur team for today's incredible global event. It's been really exciting to watch the continued growth of CONNECTpreneur, not only in this region and around the country, but now around the globe. As Tien stated, my name is Anthony Millen. I've been in the startup ecosystem as an entrepreneur venture capital partner and startup attorney for over 20 years. I'm the founder and chair of Next, powered by Shulman Rogers, which is a full-service law firm in the DC region and a proud sponsor and partner of CONNECTpreneur. Next is an innovative new model for the delivery of legal services from launch through early stage of growth. Each company that's part of Next gets the opportunity to access predictable, reasonable legal fees through more than 75 fixed price packages and service bundles specifically designed for startups and emerging growth companies. Our clients work directly with seasoned attorneys through a hands-on, high-touch legal services model, and Next integrates a robust technology platform which is created to create a client-centric experience that is collaborative, responsive, transparent, and efficient. For more information on Next, please visit us at www.next.law. So the first company that I have the honor of introducing is Accelerant Manufacturing. Accelerant Manufacturing was established to provide the legal cannabis industry automation and related products with a focus on production as a service. The Accelerant corporate structure can manage various types of partnerships to optimize for commercializing both original and licensing opportunities for equipment and product offerings. Please welcome Grant Schuster, CEO of Accelerant Manufacturing.
Thank you very much. My name is Grant Schuster. I'm the CEO of Accelerant Manufacturing. We provide scalable cannabis automation. For many of you, it probably feels like yesterday when you were in college, you grabbed some rolling papers, some pot, and you rolled up a joint for you and your friends. I also remember that. But I also remember hiring 25 people to roll joints all day, every day. Alas, we had our problem. We've rapidly increasing demand, a labor-intensive product, inconsistent quality, a high cost of capital in the industry that can exceed 15 to 22%, and a need to increase revenues. Add to that the regulatory issues of the cannabis industry, and you have a major problem. But we have a solution. We've created modular automated equipment to meet any demand with remote support and monitoring through a capital-efficient COGS reduction platform. Our production-as-a-service business model and Industry 4.0 technology allow us to fulfill this problem. So how does it work? Think about it like Xerox. We provide the equipment, our customers make joints, and then we get paid per joint with a contractual minimum. So this is our machine. It's a scalable, modular system, IoT connected for production reporting, billing, and remote troubleshooting, and it only requires one operator instead of the 25 I had to employ. So the broader cannabis market is huge. It's going to grow to over $40 billion over the next 4 years, which is growing at over 20% compounded. That's from conversion from the illicit or illegal market to the legal one, and from market expansion within the legal markets. And there's a lot of different products, from flower to vape, tincture, topicals, but we're here to focus on joints. They make up over 10% of the market, and they're outpacing the growth of the broader market category at almost 50%. Moreover, they're very difficult to manufacture, which we believe will lead to lost sales if people don't automate. We do have some competition, but we have a precise, modular, no CapEx solution that allows us to differentiate ourselves and meet the needs of both small and large customers alike. To date, we've already raised $1.75 million, and we project to have $35 million in revenue by year 5, and we're seeking a convertible note of $1 million in order to fulfill orders through 2021 and raise a Series A later this year. Our management team is poised to succeed in this venture. Collectively, we have over 33 exits at over $8 billion. We've raised over $6.5 billion of capital and have over $30 billion of mergers and acquisitions across over 50 different mergers and acquisitions. And to add to that, our automation development team has designed and deployed over $500 million of custom automation. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you all in the breakout room.